preeminent composer and conductor, his scores have defined and inspired modern moviegoing for decades.
If you think about the preeminent economic forum for coordinating between major economies, the G20, Brazil is a major voice in that.
He is, along with Iran, the preeminent backer of a murderous regime that I do not believe can regain legitimacy within his country because he's murdered a lot of people.
I just had a wonderful conversation with some preeminent civil society activists here in Vietnam.
He is one of the world's preeminent education leaders, thinking out of the box, supporting students throughout their lives, embodying the belief that we're only as great as the doors we open.